Welcome. Today we're going to create stagger animation in Elementor. Or to simplify this, we'll create sticky sections on scroll to create section stacking on viewport. To create this animated section, we'll first need a parent container to wrap these child sections. Let's set minimum height of this section 100 VH. For stacking all cards vertically, click column, vertically center, and leave the rest as it is. Now, let's add our first container. Set minimum height as 320 pixels. We'll set a background color. You can select any color of your choice. Set border radius about 20 pixels. Now, let's go to layout and set flex direction, ROW as wheel, and some content inside. Center, align them, and add 30 pixels gap. Let's rename this as service 1. Now, let's another container inside and rename it as content, set width as 50%. Vertical stacking, center aligned, left oriented. Now, let's add a heading element. Update it to be H3 for smaller title. And we will add some bottom margin as 1.5 rem. Now let's add description. We'll keep the placeholder text for now. We can update font size and font weight for better alignment. Add some line height, 1.5 em, to give some breathing space. Now, we will add some spacings to this parent service container. Let's add about 3 rem, or we can increase to 4 rem for top, bottom. This much should be fine for content block. Now, let's add another container for image. Set width 50%, go to style, add background image, select any image you want, let's adjust position to be center, no repeat, and display size cover. We'll also add border radius to be about 10 pixels. We'll need some minimum height, about 300 pixels or maybe 340 pixels. Now, our service 1 card is ready. To make this sticky, we'll add CSS class sticky card space card 1. We'll add some styling in a minute. Now, let's duplicate this service, rename as service 2. We'll change background color. Maybe a little darker version. Let's update the heading to have numbers for easy identification. Now, let's change image as well. Go to media and we can select something similar like this. Now, let's duplicate again for service 3. Rename service 3. We'll also update class names for both as card 3 and for second service as card 2. Now, let's change background color of service 3, a little more darker shade, update heading as well, and change image also. Select any image of your likings. And now, all seems fine for now. We need some gap between these cards. Go to parent services container, add gap as 50 pixels. Now, this looks great. Let's publish the edits and start with styling animation. Let's go to Customizer. We have .sticky card class, open bracket position, sticky semicolon, close. We'll copy .sticky card class, add .card1, open top offset 100 pixels, Z index 1. This will keep first card in the most front. And stick it below our header space. Now, copy the same. Top offset 150 pixels. Z index 2. Copy again. Update card 1 to card 2. This one will be card 3. Top will be 200 pixels. Z index as 3. This is done now. Let's publish. Now, let's preview our page and check animations. This is sticking as expecting, keeping 50 pixels gap on top of each, sticking right below our header. If you found this useful, feel free to like and subscribe us.